So, what do we think? Hey Credos, if you're anything like me, over the years you've tried every single kind of product to get the stains off your dishes. Well, I found a new one to try. And I'm gonna unwrap it and live and unfiltered tell you what I think of it. Honest review. This is called a non-scratch wire dishcloth. There are 10 in this package and they're just vacuum packed to be super skinny. So I'll open it and see what I think. But first I have to read you some of the details because it's funny. Can be used to clean dishes, sinks, counters, stoves, barbecue grills, as well as curtains. Get your wire cloth to clean your curtains. Maybe it means shower curtains, vents, handrails, headboards, window slots, I guess that's the window rails, faucets, and footstools. If you've been looking for a footstool scrub, recommended. It says it has stronger water absorption, but it doesn't say stronger than what. So here we go. My initial thought when I bought it was that it would be something like the trusty old steel wool, which obviously you can see I do use regularly, but that maybe it wouldn't rust, wouldn't fall apart as easily, would last longer. So we'll see. So it's triple layer. It's, more abrasive than a sponge. It doesn't seem to be as abrasive as like a scrubby. Doesn't seem to be as abrasive as steel wool. It is hemmed on the edges, so it shouldn't fray or fall apart. Each one also has a loop, so you could hang it up to dry if you had somewhere to hang it up to dry. But the real proof is in the pudding, so we'll test it. The package says it can be used wet or dry, so maybe I'll try it first dry and then wet. See if there's a difference. This is a pot that has not been cleaned terribly well by unnamed children in my home. So I'm gonna use this as my test subject. First, I'm gonna clean it dry with the new product, then wet with the product, and then try it with the steel wool on the other side. And my son is gonna help me film. Okay, here's the dry effort. I'm pushing pretty hard, but not seeing much happening. So I'm gonna try it wet. Oh, I'm seeing a difference. Okay, or can you see the difference here? The dry side and the wet side. Let me get a paper towel so you can see. Now, I'll do the other half with a damp steel wool. Now that's coming clean also, and it seems to be cleaner more easily. I'm gonna try this one more time on the other half and see if I can get it as clean as the SOS side. It's definitely not as abrasive, so it looks like I can do it, but with more elbow grease involved. Wipe it out, show the final result. So my final verdict is this does work when wet. It is not as abrasive as the steel wool. So it takes a little more elbow grease, but it is probably less damaging to more fragile surfaces as well. And it will certainly last longer than this, which only lasts a couple of uses. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo and join us in the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis. But always trying to find a better solution to everyday problems.